if you can make an analogy with the search for a small paradise that is still embarrassed to reveal itself. It's no exaggeration if explorers have to work hard before getting to where they are. The heavy burden of the carrier on the back, the difficulty of the field of travel, not to mention having to give up contact with loved ones because of the loss of communication signals, seems to have paid off with the appearance of the perfection of God's creation. Nature pays for your weariness through their charms and resources. Like a friend who always understands what you need. Maybe it's not wrong to call it friendship. Friendship that exists naturally because it is tied directly by the owner of the two. The friend sent directly by God has arms as wide as the ocean, ready to hug his visitors tightly. The friend had shoulders as wide as the range of hills, that seemed ready to be a support for the complaints of his seekers. Time has proven that nature is a friend who never breaks a promise. The nature of their creation to always serve humans is carried out sincerely. The form of nature's service to humans is not only with its resources, which are a means for humans, but also endless happy memories to tell when touching it.